Give me land, lots of land under starry skies above. Don't fence me in. Let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Yippee-i-oh, yippee-i-oh. Ghost riders in the sky. Every beating heart beats a rhythm that is blue, and the moon has cast a blue reflection in the dew. So the wind, while on its way, seems to cry and sigh and say, ooh. There's a blue sky way out yonder, that's a roof over my head. There's a blue sky way out yonder, that's a cover for my bed. You listen to him, Dan, he's a devil, not a man, and he spreads the burning sand with water. Dan, can you see that big green tree where the water's running free, and it's waiting there for me and you? Everlasting tales of Oklahoma are told in clouded statues in the sky. Pioneers who long have gone, their wagon wheels still rumble on when thunder peals and falls upon the everlasting hills of Oklahoma. I'll keep rolling along. A song here on the range I belong, drifting along with the tumbling